Hi, students. I want to go over our homework for April 6th. We talked about this in class, but I want to go over it again. First of all, by April 6th, your writing assignment 2 will be due. That's on the obstacles, the 2 paragraphs. You should have sent me an outline already before you write it. And then after that, you have your fanboys practice, subject-verb agreement practice, and then your midterm practice and the midterm exam, which is open book, which won't be due until April 13th. So let's go over here to the homework folder and we can go through these items. So we're going to open up homework for April 6th and you can submit your writing assignment 2, obstacles and how to overcome them. Please write it in Microsoft Word and upload it here. The fanboys practice and the subject-verb agreement are both assessments or quizzes here on Blackboard. Then you're going to work on the midterm practice. So that's what you're going to work on this week. So if I were to open it, and then I click on Begin, this test allows multiple attempts, so you can do it as many times as you want to. And so you have different kinds of questions. They're all going to be multiple choice. So for example, identify the correctly written sentence. So you'll look at this sentence and the 4 of these and figure out which one is correct. Then you might have fill in the blanks, choosing the word that would make the most sense here. You might have identifying the parts of speech. Remember that the test, this is the practice test, but the real test will look just like this. When you get to the real test, which will not be due until April 13th, but you can do it anytime before that, you will have 2 attempts. So you can, if you do it once and you want to improve your grade, you can do that. There is a 2-hour time limit on it. So just remember that it's timed. All right, that's it for this week. Let me know if you have any questions. Take care.